Chapter 23. Our Goals, Rights and Duties. India became independent from the long British rule on 15th August 1947. At that time, our leaders had a challenge to decide what kind of government India would have. For this purpose, a constituent assembly was set up under the chairmanship of Dr. Rajendra Prasad. A set of guidelines and rules were prepared by them to help the government. This was called the Constitution. Our Constitution came into effect on 26 January 1950. This day is celebrated as Republic Day. A republic is a form of government which is governed by a president and representatives elected by the people. There is no king or queen in a republic. A form of government ruled by a king is called monarchy. A constitution is a set of rules according to which a government runs. Republic Day. Goals. The Indian Constitution is the longest written constitution in the world. It is the supreme law of the land. It lays down the powers of the government. The Constitution of India is sacred to all Indians. The preamble is an introduction to the Constitution. It lays emphasis on three goals, namely 1. Democracy, 2. Socialism, 3. Secularism. Democracy is a government of the people, by the people, and for the people. It means that the person of 18 years and above age group have the right to choose their representatives who will form government. Freedom and equality are essential for the success of democracy. Election. Socialism means equal rights for the people of the country. It guarantees equal opportunities to all. No one can be discriminated on the basis of caste, color, or religion. Secularism means considering people of all religions alike. People in India are free to practice any religion. The state treats all religions equal. Thus, democracy, socialism, and secularism are our national goals. Fundamental rights. The Constitution of India has given us certain rights to every citizen. These rights help us to live a better life. These rights cannot be ignored by anyone. These are called fundamental rights. There are 6 fundamental rights. 1. Right to equality. All are equal before law. 2. Right to freedom. Everybody is free to express his views without fear. 3. Right against exploitation. No one has right to exploit others. 4. Right to freedom of religion. The people of the country are free to follow the religion of their choice. 5. Cultural and education at rights. Everyone can take steps to preserve his culture, language, and educational institution. Six. Right to constitutional remedies. Fundamental rights cannot be restricted or taken away. These rights are definite. Nobody can deprive us of these rights. Even the government cannot ignore it. We can seek the help of courts to protect our rights. However, the government can impose restrictions on these rights during emergency. Freedom of religion. Fundamental duties. Rights and duties go side by side. Along with fundamental rights, the Constitution also provides a list of fundamental duties. Everyone is expected to perform these. Some of these duties are: follow the ideals given in the Constitution, respect the national flag and the national anthem, help to keep the country united, cooperate with the government when the country is in danger, treat others as our equal, protect and improve our environment, take care of public property. Respect national flag. Protect environment. Fat Box. Human Rights Day is observed on 10 December. Directive Principles. The Constitution of India also lays down some guidelines for the government with the aim of developing a welfare state. These are called Directive Principles of State Policy. Some of them are: ensure the welfare of the people by promoting a social order. People should have proper living conditions. Equal pay for equal work for both men and women. Fair distribution of wealth. Every child goes to school. The Constitution advocates free and compulsory education for children up to 14 years of age. Make rules to help the weaker section of the society. Improvement of public health. Village panchayats should be organized. Steps should be taken to protect and improve the environment and to safeguard forests and wildlife. Ensure the protection of monuments, palaces, and objects of historic and artistic interest and national importance. The directive principles are not justiciable. We cannot go to court if they are violated, but a sincere government cannot afford to ignore them. Let's remember. India became independent on 15 August 1947. The Constitution of India was adopted on 26 January 1950. This day is celebrated as Republic Day. The preamble is an introduction to the Constitution. Our main goals are democracy, socialism, and secularism. The Constitution of India has given us some fundamental rights. Along with rights, we do have some fundamental duties. The directive principles are a set of guidelines for the government. Words treasure. Republic. Country governed by representatives elected by the public. Ignore. Take no notice of. Deprive. Prevent somebody from having or doing something. Emergency. A sudden, serious and dangerous event or situation which needs immediate action to deal with it. Welfare state. A government that provides for the well-being of its citizens completely. Safeguard. Protect something or somebody from harm or danger.